Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ford Edge Titanium. Under the hood we have a 2-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's in blue, it looks awesome. You got that Ford badging up front there with your projector-style headlights hanging out right there as well. Coming over to the side here, we do have our Hankook brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look awesome. You also have your mirrors there with the turning signals, and they do also have the little light on it to tell you when someone is beside you. Okay, coming around to the back, we got that Ford badging. We have our backup camera. We have the Edge and the Titanium right there with your parking sensors. You can open it up just right here, and it is an automatic open, so it opens all by itself. Lots of room back here. Those seats do fold forward, and you can fold this guy up, and we do have our spare tire underneath there. The buttons over here do fold the seat forward, giving you even more room. And to close it back up, you just press this button right here, and it closes up for us. Okay, we got our keys here. We do have our 2 presses to unlock, our lock, we have a remote start. That one opens up the back, and we do have our panic there. It does also have the proximity key, so all you do is you have to have your key on your person, put your hand in there, and it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here and some storage down here. It looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. They are electric as well, so you got your backward and forward tilt and lumbar support there. And then up here we do have the controls over the lights, so your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as in-cabin light control, and that one lifts up the back. And then we do have our turning signals hanging out right here as well. Okay, let's start up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts up for us. In the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And then on either side we do have 2 different screens. So this guy over here, we can select different things like our display mode, our trip, fuel economy, driving assist. Then we also have other stuff all throughout there. And then on this side we do have different things like our radio options, as well as the navigation and the phone. Now that is controlled from right here. You do also have your Bluetooth and volume controls here, and then you do have your cruise control options right there. You have your windshield wipers and the paddle shifters. And then in the center you do have your touchscreen display. It looks very nice. So you have your audio right over here, and you do have Sirius XM as well as FM, AM, your CD, and Bluetooth. Then you have your climate control right over here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of temperature. You have your phone options here, your navigation right over here, so you can see we are on Recreation Place. Then you have your apps and your settings. When you're in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe, and we do have some storage right up there. Then down here we do have our sound options, auto, max, we have the defrosts, your seek, volume up and down, your tuner, AC, you have your circulation and your power there, and then your CD player with your hazard lights there. And then down here we have the AC and heated seats. We have the temperature control and the power there. You can open this guy up. You have some storage with 2 USB plugins. Gear shift is here. Then we have our armrest, our cup holders there. Here's our armrest with 2 layers, top and bottom, lots and lots of room. Then you have your locking glove box right here with your owner's manual inside. And then up top you have the control of your lights, a sunglass holder, and the controls over your sunroof. It looks awesome, and moonroof, so tons and tons of room there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Same material as the front. It looks awesome, and it is very spacious back here. You can fold this guy down if you didn't need the person in the middle, so it seats 5 people all together. And then it is heated seats back here as well. And this is our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Ford Edge Titanium. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.